லோடு வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்டேன் நான் காசு. லோடு 4 லட்சம் எடுத்து 1 லட்சம் ஒன்றும் பேலன்ஸ்
उधर ही नहीं
इधर।
अच्छा मैं आगे।
हाँ आप आगे आइए क्योंकि यू आर द लीडर। Which place is this?
Gangep.
Gangep.
This is second unit of Duka Basti.
This is second unit of Duka Basti.
Gangep Duka, but
ஆர்டர் கொடுத்தா இங்க இருந்து எடுத்துட்டு போய்
GP we can say Duka only. But this down, we are getting down, na sir.
Yes.
This come up to Gangep.
Gangep. Gangep.
Gangep.
Which block will this come under? Block?
Algara.
Algara block.
Algara.
Okay.
Under Kalimpong district.
अच्छा.
ये वाला था सर, वो चीकू बोलता है ना.
This is called Chiku. Okay. So we are going down and down to take vote. This is fruit. This is called Chiku.
I think
So in English this was, what was in English? I forgot. Chiku was Hindi word perhaps. Oh, Chiku in English also. Chiku both Hindi or English. Correct. The child is crying. Got afraid of us.
match going up.
अच्छा maize. हाँ. So as you can see how down we are going just to collect or to conduct election through postal ballot. So we have taken votes of 8 voters. Those voters who were under the category of senior citizens or PWD, that is to say person with disability. So I think we are moving to the 9th voter. Lecture Sahab? 9th or 8th? 7th. No, we are going to.
Yeah, 2.
7th voter? Okay, we complete only 6.
We have 8 in the list.
Okay.
So we have completed 6 voters.
Okay.
They have given.
You can see the entire team coming down. This is team 9. Ahead of me, BLO, Mr. Sanchal Lepcha is moving. He is leading us.
Yes.
And I, Anant Kumar, acting as micro observer. And behind me, you can see polling officer first, Mr. Panchkot Sahab. He is Gram Panchayat Sahayak. And behind him, you can see the entire, security personnel. One videographer also. See how down and how difficult the path ahead of us. This is very appreciable step taken by the government, that we are reaching out to the last voter
Appreciable.
and we are enabling every citizen, irrespective of disability or seniority in terms of age, to cast their vote. That is to say, to practice their democratic right. You can see the panoramic view also. This is totally a mountainous zone or region all around us. You can see, have a look at the team coming, marching towards the destination. This is agricultural field. Something is growing here.
Yeah.
This maize. Okay, you can see the this is
And cardamom. There.
cardamom. Okay, very good. That is called terrace farming or what? That is terrace farming.
Farming.
How arduous journey.
Last second house is this.
This is last second house. Have a look. Have a look.
One
They.
last is over there, sir.
Okay.
Then
So we are touching the bottom of the mountain. You can have a look. How deep. How deep. How low.
as we go down, the temperature will increase.
Oh yes.
So,
And when
getting hot. No?
so temperature rises as we descend.
Yes, sir. So we have just arrived to take boat for A, B,
Okay.
S, C.
So finally we have reached our
Rajiv,
next voter, who will exercise his franchise through postal ballot.
घरमै भोट घरमै
So he will cast his vote. Senior citizen.
Yes.
Namaste, uncle. Have a look.
He is 84 years old.
Oh, 80 plus.
80 plus.
Okay. So senior citizen.
Senior citizen.
Have a look. All of us have gathered here. You can hear the sound of bleating goats, bleating sound. Have a look at the goats also. So we shall keep on reporting just after a few minutes.